All right, so today we're going to move on with our lesson on multiply or probability. Today we're multiplying independent and dependent events. One depends on the other. Okay, that's independent. It's like probability of drawing a crayon and drawing a car. Those two things don't go together. Okay, all right. You should know what an independent and dependent is by now. If not, you can go back and write it down. All right. So we're just stating independent or dependent. If a card is drawn from a deck of cards, why would a card not be drawn from any other thing? Anyways, and then replace the second one. All right, these are independent. And the reason why we put that other one back, so it hasn't changed what we're using here. Number two, a marble is drawn from a bag of marbles. Second drawn without replacing. All right, this is dependent. Okay, and the reason why, let's say we had 10 marbles the first time, and we drew one, didn't put it back. Well, now we have 9 marbles. Okay. Let's see. In a fair coin toss 10 times, all 10 landing on heads, and the coin is tossed one more time. These are independent events. It's not like, it's not like it's going to sit there and do something else for us. No, I've never had a wait on heads that much. Sorry, needed to yawn. Don't you like the little, yeah, there's part of my kitchen. All right. So independent events, you just multiply, and dependent is all right. This doesn't make sense until you actually do it. Okay. So, all right, number cubes. Remember number cubes. We have to say number cubes. They're 6-sided things. A red even and a green 1 or 2. Okay. Well, a red even is going to be, there's 3 out of 6 on those. And that happens 2 out of 6 times right here. So this is 6 out of 36, which is 1 over 6. Okay, because these are independent. And don't sit there and say, well, what if the red cube hits the green cube? Don't do that. Don't be that guy. All right. We're always choosing marbles. Apparently, when there's no other probability we can do besides marbles. That's probably why lots of math teachers lose their marbles. All right, and we have 3 red marbles, 2 blue marbles. Okay, so we just have 5. Okay. You pick the second marble without replacing the first. All right. Yes, I'm sleepy. So there's 3 of the reds and there's 2 of the blues. See, I had 5 the first time and then I drew one out and didn't put it back. Okay. And now there's 4 marbles because I had 5. I took one out. There's 4. Okay. So this is 6 over 20, which is 3 over 10. Okay. You roll a yellow number cube and a blue number cube. All right, so the yellow one is out of 6. Numbers greater than 2. Well, that's 3, 4, 5, 6. So that happens less times. And a blue greater than 5. Well, That's 5, 6. 11's 1. So this is 4 out of 36. Which is 1/9. Okay. All right. I'm not really sick. I'm just having quarantine. I'm really sleepy. Of course, right now it's 6 o'clock in the morning because I was too tired to do this yesterday. All right. Compound. Okay. Compound multiplying. This is all the same thing. So we have 5 orange, 3 green, and 2. So this is all out of 10. Okay. Now this is picking the second marble without replacing it. So I want to do this because this is how it's going to go. Okay. Something that smell right. All right, orange then green. That's 5 and 3. So this is 15/90. And yep, we finally made it to where I needed to grab my calculator. That's probably 5. No, it's not 5 or 30. It's probably 1/6. Oh, yeah. I just like to make sure. Oh, there you go. That's a 6. All right, a green and a blue. So we have 3 greens and 2 blues. So this is 6/90. 6/90. 115. Okay. Both green. So we don't know if we get a green on the first one. So this is why I've always said this, and I've looked it up and verified myself. Okay. All right, now. So that's how that, we don't know if we got it the first time. All right. So both black. Okay, this is what really threw me off a while ago. There are no black marbles in here. That's a 0% chance of that happening. Okay, 0. All right. Now, I could go through these. I'm going to leave them through right now for a couple of reasons. A, I'm actually cooking biscuits right now, and I think they're done, and I need to check them. Okay. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. It's time for Mr. Jeffries to eat breakfast. All right. Well, if you have questions, let me know. Email me. All right. Good stuff. Good things. Roll Tide.